For any help regarding our assignment help, visit https://www.statisticshomeworkhelper.com. Email info@statisticshomeworkhelper.com or call us at +1678 648 4277. Here, we run the R codes, identify the hypothesis, and come up with a graph detailing the results of the research question. Task: all relevant statistics and other information should be included in tables or graphs within this document. A. Code included and is organized and commented. B. Code included to import data. C. Code included to label factors. D. Factors labeled correctly. E. Code included to generate tables, figure, and analyses. F. Quality of the purpose of the study. G. Purpose of study includes hypothesis/research questions for main effect and interaction. H. Purpose of study contains research questions. Statisticshomeworkhelper.com. I. Purpose of study contains type of analysis with justification. J. Results includes descriptive statistics by game type, and possibly by ruminate. Must include mean and SD. K. Results are accurate. L. Results are in APA style. M. Results include statements about whether the null hypothesis was rejected or not. N. Results include description of effect sizes. O. Discussion includes interpretation of results linked back to hypotheses and research questions. P. Discussion includes appropriate mention of limitations. Q. Table with descriptives by group at end of narrative. R. Other graphs and tables included must be important, mentioned in the narrative, and related to argument. S. Well written, with a logical flow. Free of extraneous arguments and unjustified claims. Statisticshomeworkhelper.com. A. Code included to import data read.csv, c:/users/del/desktop/2021/aggression.csv, data B. Code included to label factors for game type data $game type factor, data $game type, levels equals C, 0, 1, labels equals C, nonviolent, violent. Statisticshomeworkhelper.com. Data $game type C, code for rumination labels factors data $ruminate factor, data $ruminate, levels equals C, 0, 1, labels equals C, no, yes, data $ruminate D, histogram hist, data $aggression. Statisticshomeworkhelper.com. Purpose of the study: there are theoretical grounds to believe they do, mainly if the game's violence is a source of obsession for the players. According to cognitive no-linkage theory, rumination can keep aggressive thoughts, attitudes, and behavioral tendencies active in semantic memory over lengthy periods. It was determined how much behavioral hostility there was. We predicted the highest degrees of cognitive no-association theory. To determine the main effects and interaction term effect, estimate the ANOVA test. Video games offer a platform for learning and practicing aggressive dispute resolution techniques. Playing violent video games seems to raise aggression. Ruminate impacts are also likely to be long-lasting. Meanwhile, the participant learns and performs new aggression-related scripts that can develop progressively available as interval goes on. Statisticshomeworkhelper.com. Hypothesis Ho. There is no relationship between game type and rumination levels of aggressiveness. Ha. There is a relationship between game type and rumination levels of aggressiveness. Ho. The main effect, game type, is not significantly related to aggression. Ha. The main effect, game type, is significantly related to aggression. Ho. The main effect, rumination, is not significantly related to aggression. Ha. The main effect, rumination, is significantly related to aggression. Ho. The interaction effect, rumination * game type, is not significantly related to aggression. Ha. The interaction effect, rumination * game type, is significantly related to aggression. Statisticshomeworkhelper.com. Purpose of hypothesis. The relationship between trait anger and anger rumination was found to predict initial levels of aggressiveness, i.e., intercept, and changes in aggression over the game type and ruminant type, i.e., slope. Research question: is the main or interaction effect are significant between aggression and rumination and game type? Is there a relationship between ruminating to anger exhibit and relational aggression game type? Type of analysis with justification. Output statistic homeworkhelper.com. The above results showed the descriptive statistics of the variables. Also, describe its mean and standard deviation. The mean and the standard deviation for the variable aggression are m equals 4.353, SD equals 2.5088. Results Figure 1. Statistichomeworkhelper.com. Violent games exhibited greater violence ratings than non-violent games, according to a 2 game type, X2, rumination, ANOVA, F1, 136, equals 157.79, P equals 0.0001. There were no other significant main or interaction effects. F1, 136, equals 1.752, P equals 0.188. That violent games had greater violence ratings than non-violent games. Rumination has a large major effect. Statistichomeworkhelper.com. Figure 2. According to Pearson correlations, there was a significant positive link between variables R, 138, equals 0.7257, P equals 0.000. This implies a positive relationship between aggression and game type. When the game type values rise, the aggression levels tend to climb as well. Move right. Statistichomeworkhelper.com. Figure 3. A linear regression analysis was used to see if aggression had any bearing on the game type and ruminate. The regression results showed that the model described the variation and statistically significant F2, 137, equals 78.03, P equals 0.0000. Hence, the model is aggression equals 2.3477 plus 3.6283 asterisk game type plus 0.3823 asterisk ruminate. Statistichomeworkhelper.com. Graph and table Figure 3. This pattern implies that many data points are higher than the mean, possibly outliers. As a result, the histogram plainly shows that it has a peak on the center, indicating that the aggression variable's distribution is approximately normal. Statistichomeworkhelper.com.